Hello engineers. Now we have developed a new packing for our air conditioning line set bend kit. It's our carrying case. Inside have two sheets of foam sheet, and 3/4 tube is individual packing. And another 4 size from 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and 5/8. That's one set. Put it inside. It's one kit.